Ahoy mga ka-T-shirt! Nandito naman tayo for another T-shirt guy vlog. It's me, T-shirt guy Mike V, giving you personal development topics and IT and tech stuffs. Kita nyo naman kung ano yung nasa harapan ko ngayon. We will be unboxing one thing. It's the Huion Kamvas 13 Pen Display 2020. So, kung interesado ka kung ano yung nasa loob ng box na to, please stay tuned, mga ka-T-shirt. Okay, mga ka-T-shirt. Siguro nagtataka kayo, bakit ako bumili nitong Huion Kamvas 13? I think magagamit namin to professionally with my sister and me to my hobbies and to try din kung ano na ba yung i-replace namin sa mga sketchbooks and pencils, di ba? We wanted to try as much as we can kasi I bought already the iPad, tablet, and the Galaxy Tab. Lahat yun we tried. So far, wala pa rin nakakatalo dun sa experience when it comes to sketchbook. So, let's see if this bad boy can overwhelm our expectation. Ano nga ba itong nasa loob nito? So according to the description of the specs, Kamvas 13 Pen Display has a 13.3 display, meaning malaki siya, para siyang 13-inch na laptop. The display has 1920 by 1080 resolution and it has also 120% sRGB gamut. Then full laminated screen din siya na magkakaroon ng impression na it is a paper-like texture. So titignan natin yun later if that is true. Then it has a shortcut keys or the 8 programmable keys para mas madali yung navigation natin when it comes to drawing. And it has a pen. Yung pen na to hindi na charge. Battery free siya. And of course, it is also compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Android phones. So marami tayong pwedeng paggamitan nito. Alright, without further ado, let's open this bad boy. Tagal, di ba? Ayan na. Tantananan, tanan. Wow! Wow! Malaki siya than expected, no? Ito yung screen. Dito tayo magdo-drawing. So, let's see. Let's open. Wow! So, para talaga siyang screen ng laptop, no? Kita niyo yan, anti-glare film has already installed. So, please remove protector before using. Meron siyang anti-glare para sa protection sa eyes. So, mamaya na natin buksan yan. Dito muna yan. So, tignan muna natin yung sa loob. Okay, ano to? Download driver manual. So, let's open this one. So, warranty card. Pag nasira, tingnan natin kung ano naman ng warranty card. Walang information so far. Let's see. Another. So, ito yung manual. Yan, kung paano gamitin at paano to mag-work. So, nandito siya lahat. Tabi natin muna. Then, you have also cleaning cloth para yung mga marks ng fingerprints mo, hindi siya mag-stay put. So, may panlinis ka na. So, hindi mo na kailangan hiramin yung cloth nung sasalamin ng tatay mo. Ito, you have the sleeves para mas komportable ka. Sana kasya sa akin, pero hindi ko muna susuotin. So, ito yung drawing sleeves. So, dito muna yan. Then, you have cables. So, ito yung ginagamit daw for power adapter. Then, meron tayong sinasabi nila it's a 3-headed monster kasi tatlo yung ports nito. Isang HDMI, isang USB connector, and isang power connector. So, pwede nyo itong ikabit all-in-one to power it up, itong screen na to. So, meron tayong cables. And here is the pen. Magandang pagkakapackage nito mga ka-T-shirt. Very secure and very safe. Tignan natin yung pen. So, very handy yung pen. Just like an ordinary pencil. And rubber siya. Pag rubber, mas kumakapit yung skin mo dun sa texture ng rubber. Kaya okay na okay siya. Very handy. And you have here the stand. Diba? So, stand siya. And also, you have, ayan. Uy, nabuksan ko. Salamat sa Diyos. Ayan. So, meron din siyang mga nibs na libre, no? Para siyang different bala. Kung napudpud siya, meron kang kapalit. So, ito yung mga libre niyang nibs. I think, wala nang laman. Wala na, yun lang. So, check natin, no, kung ano yung sinasabi nilang paper-like texture. Diba? Tingnan natin yung film niya pagka tinanggal. So, ito na. Titingnan natin kung ano yung ito yung laminated, no? Titingnan natin kasi matte talaga siya, hindi talaga siya glossy. Kaya meron siyang paper-like texture eh. Paper-like texture. Tingnan natin. So, yan. So, very smooth, matte talaga. Tingnan natin. Oo nga. Oo nga. Parang talaga siyang paper-like. Kaka-elib ba? Hindi to natural. Nag-drawing din ako sa mga tablets eh. Hindi siya ganito. It's very surreal. So, let's try this bad boy. Okay, so naka-setup na tayo. We set up already the Kamvas 13, no? So, ito yung wires niya na tatlo. Ito yung HDMI, ito yung sa power source niya, and then this is the USB for the drivers, I think so. So, let's start. Tignan na natin kung paano to gagamitin at paano to gagana, no? Okay, so you need to download the necessary application, which is the Huion tablet and the drivers sa website nila, which is thehuion.com. So, piliin nyo lang yung Kamvas 13, no, for you to have this application, no. Ano ba tong application na to? This is where you can personalize the keys, the shortcut keys here. You can also select or personalize the sensitivity of the pen to the monitor, and you can also have the calibration of the monitor to your working area, and then you have the about. So make sure nyo lang na yung device is connected para makita nyo yung cursor using your pen, no? Babala, hindi siya gumagana sa mga old MacBook devices. I don't know, because of driver siguro na hindi na present dun sa old MacBook Pro or old MacBooks. So, beware lang na dapat bago yung version. Pero, trinay din namin to sa isang Windows laptop and it works fine. No, it's a 2015 laptop pero it works fine pa rin. Pero yung 2013 na MacBook, hindi na siya na gumagana. Parating disconnected yung device, or minsan gagana, minsan hindi. Minsan gagana, minsan hindi. Pag kung luma yung version ng MacBook nyo, I tell to you, wag na kayong bumili nitong Huion. Pero kung bago naman yung laptop nyo and Windows kayo, it should work fine. So, let's start. So, tignan na natin. Naka-setup na yan. Device connected na. And the config is all well and good. Let's see. Tignan natin, no, kung yung laminated screens niya would affect its sensitivity. And tignan natin kung it works fine with the signature. So, makikita natin dito, napaka-smooth, no? At kayang-kaya sundan yung strokes mo. And you have also the pressure test. So, habang dinidingan mo yan, lalong kumakapal yung lines, no? So, paper-like, sort of. It's comfortable to have a sketch or to have a signature here. So, pwede ko siyang tawagin na paper-like since walang lag, walang issue with regards dun sa stroking, no? Hindi parang peke, hindi madulas. Siguro dahil dun sa lamination, so hindi siya madulas. So, tama lang, no? Tama lang yung pagkakaano. Sige, let's try natin to sa sketch, no? I will do sketch.
Dilubi yun ah.
Okay. So, teka lang, magpapalit lang ako. Okay, so unang-una sa lahat, kita nyo naman, bago ang ating damit. So maraming salamat kay KaTeeShirt Manly for providing this to us and hope you do well there. Siguro, bago ako mag-outro, kailangan muna nating sabihin kung sino ang nanalo sa KaTeeShirt giveaway natin. So sa mga sumali dyan, thank you for your support and ito na yung panalo. Congratulations for our winners, a 1,000 pesos voucher from Lazada, Aljon Isidro, and for our 500 peso voucher from Shopee, Franz Villa, and Ran Salunayan. Congratulations mga ka-t-shirt. So, para ma-claim niyo yung prize nyo, kindly PM me on my t-shirt guy page and para ma-transfer ko sa inyo or para mabigay ko sa inyo yung voucher itself. Okay? Congratulations again mga ka-t-shirt and hopefully for the next ka-t-shirt giveaway natin, sumali ulit kayo. Maraming salamat. Okay, for the outro. Nakita naman natin kung paano yung Kamvas 13 i-set up at kung paano siya mag-work sa mga lumang PC and sa bago. Some of the drivers ni Kamvas 13 hindi nag-work. When it comes naman dun sa experience natin ng sketching, wala akong masabi, napakaganda. Yung laminated screen niya, very intact, very accurate, no? Yung sensitivity ng pen, very accurate as well. Pero tignan na rin natin yung portability niya. Hindi siya ganun ka-portable, unlike do sa mga tablets, no? Pero napakaganda ng kanyang writing experience and drawing experience. So, I suggest if you are a graphic designer na hindi ka naman on the go, much better you go for this one kasi very professional looking siya at saka very accurate. Pero kung on the go ka naman na designer, parati kang layas. Pero ngayon, sa panahon na to, wala naman masyadong ganap, di ba? Pero kung artist ka na on the go ka, so I suggest na kumuha na lang kayo ng iPad Pro or something dahil napaka-portable niya. Okay? So, all in all, we are very satisfied with this device. Maganda siya. I recommend this Huion Kamvas 13 2020 Pen Display Edition. Kung nagustuhan nyo tong video to, please like, share, and subscribe sa T-Shirt Guy channel natin for you to see and for us to have more videos to come. Stay safe, everyone, and see you next week on another T-Shirt Guy vlog.